Welcome yet again, test subjects. This is a special theory in the context that this idea comes from a fan named JBER7883. And also, this is our 50 sub special. So today we're gonna talk about a famous figure within the Portal / Half-Life universe. And of course, it's the one and only Cave Johnson, the CEO of Aperture Science. Now we all know the story. How he died from his own bad decisions, like moonrock poisoning. But how exactly did he get poisoned if he wasn't even a scientist? Cave was the CEO of Aperture. We all know this. But from what we see, he never really did much science himself. All he probably did was check on the scientists every once in a while and yell at them through recordings, so not much. So, how could he get moonrock poisoning if he wasn't even near the stuff constantly? Well, I may have a solution to your query. It's a hard word. Cave was a strange man. He was obsessed with science. Like, really obsessed. And then innovation, too. But he never helped the scientists in any meaningful way besides ask for more outlandish requests. This did not help the company too much, with his reckless spending and horrible decisions slowly drove Aperture into a downward spiral of bankruptcy, causing him to make even worse decisions over and over again until he made the decision to buy moonrocks. Not just a small amount either, an egregious amount of moonrocks. Now, due to his close proximity to them, he probably got exposed to them over time. But I don't think that alone killed him. I think he would have lived if not for one fatal mistake, and that was using the crushed up moonrocks for walls themselves, contaminating the entire facility. Employees, scientists, and especially test subjects were probably breathing in moon dust constantly. Cave, despite not being involved with testing all the time, probably checked up on the experiments every once in a while, like he would with a scientist, instead of only using audio recordings. Or even worse, the moon rocks were literally being used on the walls like we see in Portal 2. And honestly, I think I think this is mostly like a contender because the first idea is mostly speculation, but this one we have endgame proof. When Chell and Potatoes are getting near the end of Old Aperture, they eventually get into the office, and what do we see? White walls. They are portal surfaces. And what does Cave constantly mention are a good portal conductor? Moon rocks. That means that the walls themselves were probably coated with crushed moon rocks, which means everyone in Aperture was constantly around this stuff. And if you don't believe me, if you don't believe this, then look at Valve's official promo video showing how the portal walls are made. Now, yes, it could just be promo material, but knowing Valve, it probably has lore significance. They love hiding details like that everywhere. So, to answer your question, Cave Johnson most likely died from moonrocks, which is his own terrible decision, his obsession with science, and his need to push Aperture constantly. Eventually, it led him to his death and literally poisoning his own facility along with him with it. Thank you for watching that. Please make sure to subscribe and smash that like button.